There she blows. The Raptor 2 crossover wheels. Tackling these stones, no problem. Check it out. It's fucking sweet. Sorry, I shouldn't swear. YouTubings. Not a bad place for escape. And of course, old trusty crash up here. Battery's dying. I was going to tackle all the way around the lake, but ain't going to happen. Well, we got back just about 0% battery. It's still going. It's taken a bit of a beating, to be honest with you. It was a bit hit and miss on some of the terrain, but most of it was pretty fun. We're on charging up. Shouldn't take too long. The only thing is, I suppose, I don't know, I'm going to be able to zoom off home soon, I think. I'm going to spend the night in the van. I could do. Might give it some juice and have another go out. But yeah, Raptor 2 crossover wheels, tested to the max. Pretty good going, I think. This is my van, by the way. Transit Beast. I love this thing. Fuerteventura, great place. But yeah, big plans for this van. We're going to be travelling all over Europe in it. Bit of fun. Tell me what you think about the hood. This is old Skeletor. Lights on, all up there. Inside the actual bits of wood never put in. Lights up there. It's all the chaos of solar energy MPT machine thing. It's pretty good. Got lights under there. More lights up there. Super duper fan, which is awesome. In the winter anyway. No need for it today, as it's freezing. But yeah, It's the beast. We're planning on travelling around in this for a bit of recreational fun, as you Americans like to say. Anyway, if you like the videos I've been putting up, yeah, give us a like and subscribe. That'd be great. I'm going to do some more. We've got all sorts to talk about, me and the missus. So, yeah, keep tuning in. See you later.